Life's risks and rewards. To this day, the basic human instinct of survival continues to sway our actions. All too often, we choose the path that makes us feel safe and secure. That's because feeling uncertain can really stress us out. Sometimes we'll rush into making a decision to regain some form of control, to get back into the driver's seat, and we don't take enough time to weigh risk and reward. So what does this look like in daily life? Let's say you're buying a car. The salesman might try to upsell you on a bunch of things you don't need. They play on our desire to protect our new purchase. We might end up making a snap decision that gives us short-term peace of mind. But being motivated by fear can lead us to regret our decisions in the long run. This applies to bigger life changes too. Maybe you have an exciting opportunity to take a new job or move to a new city. Weighing the risk and reward can be even more overwhelming because the stakes feel higher. Remember, fear of the unknown goes back to survival. Some of us avoid risk entirely, and you might know someone who's the opposite, a little too daring for their own good. Studies have shown that men take more risks with money, women more risks socially, and teens are generally less afraid of the unknown. Since emotions have a way of clouding our judgment, especially when it comes to the things we truly care about, is there a way to get better at measuring risk and reward? First, identify the things you hold near and dear to your heart. Maybe your friends and family are experiencing new things. Then pinpoint what you're most afraid of. Is it loss? Rejection? Failure? As President Franklin D. Roosevelt once famously said, "The only thing we have to fear is fear itself." Finally, if you start to feel anxious, consider if this opportunity might allow you to grow. It could be worth stepping out of your comfort zone and following the road less traveled. By acknowledging your fears and the things you don't know, not just about the world that's out there, but also yourself, you'll find that sometimes taking a chance is truly worth the reward.
GCF Global, creating opportunities for a better life.